All right, this is an example of good audio with mediocre video. And if we switch it, this is good video with terrible audio. Now, if you're a beginner, what are you going to invest in? Let's talk about it. What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Justin, aka Adobe One Kenobi, back for another weekly video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Justin, full-time filmmaker, content creator, motion graphics artist, video editor, and whatever other label you can throw at me. And on this channel, we talk about all things videos, whether it's tutorials, video breakdowns, travel videos, and all that good stuff. Basically, whatever I feel like making in video form, I post it on here and share it with the world. Now today, you can tell from the intro, we're talking video versus audio. Now, if you heard in the opening clip, I think it's pretty obvious which one you're gonna lean towards, and I wanna talk about why. Now, in my honest opinion, I'm a huge believer that most people will forgive bad video before they forgive bad audio. Think about any time you've watched something and the audio is god awful. You are more than likely going to be turning it off right away. But if the video isn't that great, you might give it a second chance, stick around and see what the video has to offer. Let's break down why this could be. Number one, good audio allows the viewer to still get invested in the story. Now, video obviously adds to this, but not having the greatest video isn't necessarily a deal breaker. Let's take a movie like the Blare Witch Project, for example. It's a terrible movie for those who have seen it in terms of camera work and cinematography, but that's not the point of the movie. The point is that the camera was found and you're going through this journey with these three people who are getting followed by some weird demon sort of thing. I'm not gonna break down the whole movie, but that is it in its essence. Now, the video is terrible, but it broke numbers when it was released because it told a great story, and a story which you could follow along with based on the quality audio. Now, reverse the roles of the video and audio in that movie, and I'm not sure it would have been a hit. Number two, poor video can be used stylistically, while poor audio, not so much. Think about all the music videos you've seen as of recent, which use the VHS effect. That look is about 20 or 30 years old at this point, and it's still being used very frequently. However, the audio in the music video itself is very polished and mixed, hopefully. So, case in point, audio trumps video for the most part. Number three, audio is more important in content creation as a means to reach potential customers or fans. So how many times do you watch a YouTube video or a piece of content passively? Probably a lot. Let's say I'm cooking dinner and I have a YouTube video playing in the background. Now, I'm not watching it, but I am passively listening. I might not be fully aware that I'm taking in the information, but if I hear something that catches my ear, I'm gonna pay attention and I'm more likely to be converted into a customer or a fan based on the content. Now, I'm not saying that good video doesn't matter by any means. That's not the case. If you can get both, all the power to you, that's amazing. But what I am saying is if you're a beginner and you can only afford to invest in audio or video, I would say look at your options. You probably already have a smartphone that can shoot at least 1080p. Why not take that $1,000 or that $500 you were going to invest in a new camera and invest that into some quality audio equipment? I would rather have an iPhone and a proper mic than no mic and a red camera, genuinely. Now that's pretty much it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. Let me know your thoughts on the topic in the comments. Video, audio, who's the winner on a budget? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And finally, please hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed today's video, there's a lot more where that came from. So hit that little red button and I'll see you next time. Peace.